security users, Brandon Cligg here with Custom Alarm. Today we are going to take a few moments to demonstrate some simple functions of your Concord GE security system. As you will see, when the system is in normal status, your keypad will show the date and time. There may be some times when the system has a star or asterisk displayed. If this symbol is on your display, it is indicating a trouble or open zone on your system. Another easy way to check your system status is to press the star button. This will show you if there's any currently open or troubled sensors. As you will see, our system is okay. The majority of the time you'll be using your keypad to arm or disarm the security system. For this system, you will press 2 plus your code to arm the system to stay. As you will see, our system is now being armed to stay. The purpose of arming to stay is so you have motion sensors as part of your security system. The perimeter zones such as door contacts and glass breaks will be armed, however the motion sensors will not, which will allow you to move freely throughout your home or business. To disarm the system, you will hit your code, system is now disarmed. Another way you may want to arm your system is by using Night Arm. This can be used when you are arming your system before going to bed. With this function, your motion sensors will not be armed so that you can still move around the home freely. However, all of your perimeter doors will be set to arm with no delay. What this means is that all the doors that are part of the system will go into alarm if opened. This will also include doors that may be set up as a perimeter entry-exit door. To arm the system to night mode, you will press 2 plus 4 and then your code. You will see on the screen that has been armed to stay. Once again, to disarm, 1 plus your user code. System is now disarmed. If you would like to arm your entire system to away, you can do so by pressing 3 plus your user code. The system is now being armed to away. I'm going to go ahead and disarm it. System is normal. One of the most common instances that occurs with end users is having to disarm the system after an alarm. This can easily be done by pressing 1 plus your code, then one more time entering 1 plus your code. This will clear the alarm from the system and allow you to rearm it when needed. Doing it twice will clear out the alarm history. The majority of our systems are enabled with door chime function. This is a great function to be alerted of when perimeter doors are open. To enable this, you would enter 7 plus 1. The chime function is now on. Thank you for taking a few moments to learn about our GE Concord security system.